All the believers were together and had everything in common. They sold property and possessions to give to anyone who had need. Galing nito. So meaning to say, kapag wala ka sa fellowship, nami-miss out mo yung pagtulong mo sa iba. Hindi mo napansin, every time you share, doon ka lang nabibigyan ulit ng opportunity para ikaw din mabless ka ng Ginoo. Kasi once you share, akala mo na uubusan ka, mali ka. Once you share, maraming dumadagdag sa'yo. Look at what happened, Acts 20:35. Sabi dito, remembering the words the Lord Jesus Himself said, it is more blessed to give than to receive. Isang malakas na palakpak para kay Lord John.